In this next video, we're going to look at the subtotal command. And the most important component of the subtotal command is the initial sort. And once again, the initial sort is based upon what you're going to subtotal by. So the first step is always to sort. And you're going to perform that sort on whatever you're subtotaling by. We're going to look at our table here. We've got our field names up on top, client name, address, phone number, city, zip, product, service, date, and contract. Right now, this table is sorted by client name. If you kind of look down the column, you can see it's sorted alphabetically. But we've been asked to subtotal our contracts by city. So we're going to subtotal our contracts by city. So our first step is to go in directly underneath our headers or field names, right-click, sort, custom sort. We're going to be subtotaling not by client name, but we're going to subtotal by city. So that's what we're going to be sorting by. So our first sort, our initial sort, is by city. A to Z, ascending order. So we're going to subtotal on city. That means that that first sort is going to be on city. Click OK. We can look up here, and our cities have all been sorted. Now we're ready to go. So we've done our initial step, which is to sort by city. To get the subtotal command, we click on the Data tab, come over here and click on Subtotal. There's 3 lines that each change in. Now it just so happens that city has come up, but a lot of people skip right over that. That first line should always have to do with what you just sorted on. What is your subtotals going to be based upon? In our case, it is going to be based upon city. That's where we made that first initial sort. So we don't have to change it. If it had not come up as city, we could have come down here, hit the drop-down arrow, and make sure that that first line is being defined as city. We have numerous functions to choose from. Right now, it's come up as sum. That's what we're going to use. However, if you hit that drop-down arrow, there's a group of other functions that you can also use. You can average, you can count. But we're going to sum. So our subtotal is based upon city. We're going to sum. We can only sum numeric data. So the only case of numeric data is the contract field. So at each change in, or our subtotal is going to be based upon city. We're going to sum our contracts. Click OK. We know that we have a subtotal because we have the numbers 1, 2, and 3. If we click on 1, that is our total, grand total. Click on 2, each of our cities and their subtotal. 3, the full selection. If you make a mistake on your subtotals, what you can do is you can click within the sheet, and that's important. You don't want to be clicking outside here. You want to click within the sheet. Click on subtotal again. There's that initial box that we filled in. And then click on remove all. And our list is back to its original state. It is still maintaining the sorting. Thank you.